In this video, we are going to learn and practice 10 phrasal verbs using put along with their meanings and examples. Put away. Meaning, to keep something in its place. For example, can you please put your things away? Put your toys away now. Put down. Meaning, record something in writing, to insult someone. For example, he is putting a few thoughts down on paper. She put me down in front of my own employees. They always put their brother down. I don't know why they would do that. It's hurtful. Put through. Meaning, to connect someone by phone. For example, could you put me through to him, please? Put me through to the police office, please. Put by. Meaning, to save money. For example, we'll start to put by extra some dollars every month. Putting some money by every month is a great habit. Put forward. Meaning, to propose. For example, the authority put forward positive proposals. The proposals that you have put forward deserve serious consideration. Put across. Meaning, to communicate successfully. For example, he was trying to put across serious point. Our group must put across its views and gain popular support. Put in. Meaning, to fix a large piece of equipment into a room or building. To submit something like a form or application. For example, we've just put in a new split system. We've put in our application for the house, fingers crossed we get it. Put off. Meaning, to postpone or delay, to distract. For example, he decided to put the meeting off until Friday. Don't put me off. I'm trying to concentrate. Put up. Meaning, to tolerate. For example, we had to put up with all the problems in the house. We had no choice. I don't know why she puts up with him. Put on. Meaning, to dress oneself. For example, she put on her best suit for the meeting. Put your shoes on, we are going out. Put over. Meaning, to communicate something special, to postpone something. For example, he put over a complex and difficult business deal. Let's put the case over for a few weeks.